Hello and welcome to this exciting video. Today, I have an amazing content that I am sure you will like it. Artificial intelligence is a multidisciplinary field that aims to create intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that would typically require human intelligence. It draws upon various subfields, including computer science, mathematics, engineering, neuroscience, linguistics, and philosophy. AI has evolved significantly over the years and has seen increasing adoption in various industries and aspects of our daily lives. What are the advantages of AI? Automation and efficiency. AI-driven automation can significantly improve efficiency by performing repetitive and mundane tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. Data analysis and insights. AI can process vast amounts of data and extract valuable insights from it. This is particularly useful in areas such as business analytics, healthcare diagnostics, and scientific research. 24/7 operations. AI systems can operate around the clock without the need for breaks, leading to continuous service availability. Personalization. AI-powered recommendation systems can tailor content and services to individual preferences, enhancing user experiences. Improved decision-making. AI can analyze data, identify patterns, and provide data-driven recommendations, leading to better decision-making in various domains. Risk reduction. In industries like healthcare and transportation, AI can be utilized to mitigate risks and prevent accidents by predicting potential issues and taking preemptive actions. What are the disadvantages of AI? Job displacement. As AI technology advances, there is a concern that automation could lead to job displacement and unemployment, particularly for roles that involve repetitive tasks. Lack of empathy and creativity. Current AI systems lack emotions, empathy, and creativity, which are essential in certain human interactions and problem-solving scenarios. Data bias. AI algorithms rely on data for learning, and if the training data is biased, it can lead to biased decision-making, perpetuating societal inequalities and prejudices. Security concerns. AI systems can be vulnerable to attacks and exploitation. Adversarial attacks can trick AI models into making incorrect decisions. Ethical challenges. As AI becomes more powerful, ethical dilemmas arise regarding its use, particularly in areas like autonomous weapons, privacy invasion, and surveillance. Dependency on AI. Relying too heavily on AI systems can reduce human skills and decision-making capabilities, potentially leading to over-reliance on technology. Unemployment and economic disruption. The widespread adoption of AI could potentially disrupt entire industries and lead to significant economic changes, which may require adjustments in workforce training and social policies. It is important to recognize that the advantages and disadvantages of AI are context-dependent and can vary based on how AI is developed, deployed, and regulated. To ensure responsible and beneficial AI implementation, it is essential to address these challenges and work towards AI systems that align with human values, ethics, and societal well-being. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share it with your friends.